Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're opening up the new Hot Wheels Street Fighter V Premium Pop Culture set. The first Hot Wheels from Street Fighter V is a yellow Ford Transit Supervan featuring the characters Rue and Ken Masters. Number 2 is the Hot Wheels 1988 Mercedes Unimog 1300 featuring the Street Fighter combo of M. Bison and Guile. Vehicle 3 from Street Fighter V is the Hot Wheels Bread Box featuring the characters Vega and Chun-Li. Onto Hot Wheels number 4, this is the Black Highway Hauler featuring the Street Fighters Zangief and Cammy. And onto number 5 from Street Fighter V is the Purple Honda Odyssey featuring the characters Blanca and Dalsum. Here we have all 5 of the Hot Wheels Pop Culture Street Fighter V vehicles. It's a really cool set. I love the way that each car has one character on each side of the vehicle, which really brings these cars to life. And if you want to see more Hot Wheels unboxing videos, be sure to subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.